जिंदगी का नाम है चलते रहना, बस रुकना मना है। इसी सोच के साथ मारवाड़ी युवा मंच गुवाहाटी ग्रेटर आया है एक अनोखी सोच के साथ, एक अनोखे टॉक शो के साथ। मैं रोहन केडिया मारवाड़ी युवा मंच का एग्जीक्यूटिव मेंबर और एक मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर होने के नाते आप सभी को नवरात्रि की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। आज मिलवाऊंगा आपको एक ऐसे शख्सियत से जिन्होंने कभी जिंदगी में पीछे मुड़ना नहीं सीखा है। शी इज एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिसर ऑफ आसाम सीड कॉर्पोरेशन लिमिटेड, मिस प्रियंका हजारिका। मिस प्रियंका हजारिका, वेलकम यू टू आवर शो एंड आज ही अपना नवरात्रि और दुर्गा पूजा शुभेच्छा जनाइছো।
थैंक यू
मैम, हाउ आर यू?
फाइन, एकदम बढ़िया।
मैम, स्टार्टिंग विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एज अ लेडी व्हाट इज दैट पॉजिटिव एनर्जी? वो पॉजिटिव एनर्जी क्या है? व्हाट इज दैट पॉजिटिव एनर्जी यू फील व्हेन यू आर इन द सिचुएशन ऑफ डिप्रेशन और एंजाइटी? मतलब हाउ डू व्हाट इज द पॉजिटिव एनर्जी दैट मोटिवेट्स यू?
हाँ, देखिए, मतलब जो बीइंग अ लेडी, what I think is that whenever there is a problem or whenever there is a depression, or the first thing that comes to our mind is to get relaxed is our family. Whenever there is a depression, I always think of my daughter's face, my husband's face, and in that way मतलब क्या होता है, बहुत relax मिलता है. And when we think of the good things that we had means with our family, because see, whenever whatever thing and depression and anxiety, when it comes, when there is mainly in the professional line, we have that those kind of anxiety and depression comes mainly in the professional things, and in the family there is no such things, never comes. Means whatever comes means any anxiety or depression comes in the professional life only. And whatever we are doing, whenever we are working for our family. So whenever we think of our family, my daughter's face, my husband's face, my mother, my father, my in-laws, then everything phases out, because at the end of the day we are returning to our home only. Yes. In that way I get very much positive whenever there is a depression or any kind of anxiety.
Now, what makes you different from other females? How do you think that is the one thing that makes you different?
See, the thing is that means every woman is different, and what I think of myself is that means I can balance my professional life with my personal life. That balancing, that happiness that I can give in my family, though I am working, that quality times that I can spend with my family, that is the positive things, and that is the thing that every woman should have actually, and I think that I have that. So that is the thing.
As you said that you have the capacity, the very fluently you can manage your both work and life responsibilities. Then can you say how can you both manage together? Because generally there is almost every females have this concept that they cannot manage their life and work responsibilities together. And you are totally you feel that you are totally you can.
Yes.
How you can that?
Actually, but first thing is that actually I did my MBA, and the thesis that I wrote means I had submitted, it was on work-life balance only. First thing is that was the theoretical part I had learned from my studies. After that I got married. Means I am from a very simple background. My family is very simple. We are 3 sisters, my mother, my father, and then I married to a very simple man, my husband. Yes, he's very simple, he's very good, very, very honest. Then I gave birth to a beautiful daughter. Then after that I joined the job, and after joining in the very first 5-6 months I was not very much able to cope up with the family, means not family, the family means cope up with that balance. I could not balance the things. But whenever I felt that that I'm not being able to do things and what to do, then I talked with my mother-in-law. My mother-in-law is so she is so supportive. She can make me she's like my friend. Whatever I tell her, she always give me a solution for that. And and the work-life balance is that now at this stage, after working for 5 years, what I have learned is that whatever has happened in the office, the moment you sit in the car, you should forget everything. And the moment you reach home, you should forget everything, whatever has happened in the office, whatever thing is there, and in that way you can balance the thing. Because the thing is, because in office what happens, we have lots of anxieties, lots of tension, lot of pressure.
Yeah.
But just after reaching home, I need minimum of half an hour to get adjusted with the family. So what I do, I just come, I go to the room for like 15-20 minutes, I sit alone, because I need
The
to
trauma, totally the whole day traumas they are going on in the mind.
I sit for 15-20 minutes, I go to washroom. After that, I become a housewife from after reaching home.
Really, the very unique thing that you have said right now, that your mother-in-law is a friend of you. It is totally out of the topic that mother. We hear that mother is a friend, but hearing from you that your mother-in-law is your friend is a very out of the box thing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Actually, you know what? My mother she is a mother of three daughters. My mother, and she's very strong and very strict. The thing, she's very strict. That's why we have like grown up in a good way. Because being a mother of daughters, it's a different thing.
Yeah.
And my mother-in-law is a mother of 2 sons. Okay, and she doesn't have a daughter. She treats me like her daughter.
A daughter.
And you know, whenever every husband wife have some differences they have, whenever I tell to my mother-in-law, she always I know at sometimes I am wrong, but she never supports her son. She supports me,
That's really very much interesting.
She always maximum that she supports me, and she in that way, when I get normal and when I stop my emotion, then she tells me that she see Priyanka, this is actually you have done this wrong and he has done that wrong. That is why this has come. And then in that way, I also understand the thing. And my mother-in-law and also my sisters are also there. We are like best friends. We 3 sisters are like best friends. My mother is very strict, but now she has also become like a friend. But my mother-in-law is like she is a best friend of mine.
Best friend of you.
Yes.
Ma'am, as an administrative officer, what are the basic duties that you are rendered to do?
Actually, my service is that in that organization, what means it's the post speaks means that the administration, I have to look into the administration part mainly. But administration part, the transfer thing, the promotion thing, everything I have to look at. And my senior boss is the managing director. He is the sole authority, means whatever administration part is mainly on the administrative officer part. But now, though my post is administrative officer, but I am looking into the marketing part also, and also in the accounts part. So overall, I am like
you are supervising the whole administration.
Sections. Yes.
Yeah. And how is your experience till today?
Experience, if about work, if you want to know. Like first 2-3 years of my work life was like, it was very tough. It was tough in the sense that I had to bring that acceptance among the employees of the office. That was like, it is hard. Being a woman, it is very hard. And you know, I don't know why among the employees, but among maximum of the people of the society, they have a conception that a lady is working means she has some weakness, be it financial or I don't know, means mainly, but that is not the
psychological thinking comes to it.
Means if a lady has come out of her home, that means she can do anything, she will do anything, but it is not like that. That should be changed among the mindset of the people, that she is working just to make the size of the pie that the family is sharing, just to make the size of the pie a bit bigger. That is the only thing a woman, that's why a woman comes out, they work. But in the first 2-3 years, it had a not very good experience, not only in the work life but also in the family. Everything's always, whenever any relation starts, be it a personal relation, be it a relation in the work, means a work life starts, means first 2-3 years it becomes difficult.
It becomes difficult to carry on, to adjust with the thing, to adjust with the circumstances, situations.
But if you have that patience to come, means to pass away that 2-3 years, after that everything becomes smooth. Now to everything is all
Now
right.
is everything is yeah, it's a very nice thing. Ma'am, you started, as I have talked you earlier, you said that you started your career just when your baby, your baby was only 28 days old.
Yes.
Ma'am, it is like, and even doctors suggest that only at least 6 months of rest is totally necessary for a woman. If she is a working woman, 6 months necessary post delivery.
Yes.
6 months rest is necessary.
Yeah.
Now, what made you? What was so urgent that after 28 days you started going to work? And you even not going to work, you started doing the work.
Yes,
That
yes.
what made you to do that?
Actually, what happened when I was like 6 or 7 months pregnant, then this advertisement came in the paper. Then my husband was telling that do you want to apply? And then I told her, okay, I'll apply for that. We applied for that. After that, just my daughter was born. Just after 28 days of my daughter's birth, a call came for an interview.
You don't
Okay.
wanted to miss the opportunity.
Yeah, not that opportunity also. It is not like I did not think of it that to be an opportunity. Just I wanted to check myself what
Yeah.
is my level right now. Because see, there was a gap of like 2-3 years. I was just sitting at home. So
Yeah.
I just wanted to test myself.
Okay.
And I did not prepare anything. Then I went there. There was 36 number of candidates who appeared for the interview. And it was just 28 days of post-delivery. And then I went very confidently. I did not want to show that I did not want to tell
Gain any type of sympathy or any type of
I do not
criticism
want
from
to show that among them. Then what happened? They like I just gave the interview. They asked this and everything it was all right. Then I came back. Then on 31st of December, like my daughter was born in the month of November 17th. Then on 31st December a call came, and the MD called me and told me that am I speaking to Priyanka? I said yes. Priyanka, you are selected for the post, and you used to means my rank was in top number 1, and from tomorrow you have to join.
From the very next day.
Yeah, the very next
Okay.
day. It was 1st January 2015. So I thought like tomorrow, sir ने बोला कि हाँ अब कल ही आपको join करना होगा. Then at that time I was staying with my mother.
Okay.
I asked my mother.
You were not in the Guwahati at that moment.
I was in Guwahati.
Okay, you were in Guwahati.
My mother stays. My parents stay in Kahilipara. Then I asked my mother that what should I do. Then my mom told her, you just talk with your husband and also your in-laws. Then first I called I asked my husband. My husband was like that. Okay, me korat me joy. Yes, you should go. And kyo ghorat thaki wale. He was like, we will keep a helping hand also. No need money. He was very positive. Then I asked my mother-in-law. Then she told. Actually, my mother-in-law and my father-in-law. My father-in-law is a doctor. He's a
Okay.
retired doctor. He being a doctor, he only suggested me, Priyanka, you do not tumi sinta no korba. We will take care of your daughter. And the best part was that my home was just not a kilometer, also half a kilometer away from the office, just
Okay.
near the office. So my mother-in-law also told that you being qualified, there is no requirement of staying at home, and whatever you just tell your boss that you have a little daughter, but you have to be coming, you'll be coming home frequently, like after 2-3 hours you just take permission for that so that you can come and feed her. After that everything will take care of that. Then that is the only support and that confidence that gave me to join it. But there was no any financial constraint or that. It was not because of finances. It was only because of the qualification, and also it is an opportunity to get such a good post. And for that only I
Then it is
joined it.
very nice thing that the qualification which you have and getting into practice of that qualification,
Yes.
that is the best part for a
Yes.
female to continue in
Yes.
there.
Because I have seen among many people, whatever they do in the career, means whatever they learn. But the similar type of job they do not
They
get.
do not get,
But I
not
got it because I did my MBA in human resource only, and my
Okay.
post is also administrative officer. It's a HR post only. So that was also one of the main thing for which I opted for that.
Ma'am, as you said that you are an MBA, then why only the post of an administrative officer? Why not any? You did not associated yourself with any business forum like that?
Yes. Actually, before marriage, I was working with Kaziranga University. With Kaziranga University, I was working. After that, at the time of my marriage, my husband was posted in Gujarat. So I had to leave the job. Then we shifted to Gujarat. Then just after our marriage, he got posted to Assam, in
Okay.
Assam.
So you
So
were after
like-
from Kaziranga University. Then after the marriage, you were shifted to Gujarat.
Gujarat,
A very
yes.
nice city.
Yeah. After that, again, he got transferred to Assam. Then actually, it was destiny also, because whatever is written in your destiny, if it was
Yeah.
it was destined that I'll be working as an administrative officer. That's why.
As you said that you started your career in such a department which is a totally male dominated one. Though youngest, but you hold the senior most position in the department. How did you handle that male ego at that moment when you started joining it? How did you handle that male ego?
Ego. Yes, when we tell about male ego, means we being a woman, not only me, every woman should think, how to handle that. Okay, means how to handle the male ego. It is a difficult thing, but you should know that, because whenever when I joined my office, and I used to when I wanted to say something bad, I wanted to scold a person, I used to scold among 2-3 persons. Suppose I wanted to scold, means he did something wrong, and I used to tell in front of other people also. They felt very bad. Like after that, slowly মই এনেকে ভাবিলো কি নাই, মানে একেলগে in a group we should not tell anything about, like আজি যদি মই এটা মানুহৰ কিবা এটা বেয়া পাইছো, not in front of others. যদি বেয়া পাইছো, that should be like অকলে মাতি, he should be called alone, তাৰপিছত তেওঁক ক'ব লাগে. in a group ক'লে তেওঁৰ মেইল ইগো হাৰ্ট হয়. আৰু এইটো মানে এটা বহুত টাফ থিং যে আপুনি মানে কি হয় আপোনাৰ means you have to make the things work done by them, and also you have to give that respect,
Yeah.
and also you have to have that authority also, that মানে যাতে সিহঁতে কামটো কৰে,
Authority and
Yes.
responsibility balance হ'ব লাগে.
balance হ'ব লাগে. So it's a very tough thing, but slowly কি হয়, যিমানবোৰ মানুহ লগত মই কাম কৰিছোঁ, all are of my like uncle's age, my like মানে সব মানে like 25-30 years elder to me.
Elder to you.
But they call me like madam, they call me baido. That is the main thing that they felt bad. Means সিহঁতি ক'বলে দিগদাৰি পায়, বাইদেউ মাতিম নেকি, like that. But slowly, যেতিয়া whenever they come to my room, they always give them cough, মানে কিবা চাহ হেৰি কৰোঁ, মানে slowly কৰোঁ. এতিয়া মানে এনেকুৱা হ'ল, whenever I say them anything যে মোক এইটো লাগে, just half an hour বা 15 minutes তাহাঁতি আহি যায়. আৰু মই এনেকুৱা আছিলোঁ যে be it a peon, be it a assistant, যি নহওক, যি ৰেংকৰে মানুহ নহওক, তেওঁলোকে যদি কিবা প্ৰব্লেম পায়, I always go to their room. তাহাঁতৰ ৰুমত যাওঁ, I sit with them, গৈ বহি পেলাই মানে আমি ডিছকাছ কৰোঁ যে কি হয়. আৰু এনেকুৱা in our office সেইখিনি সময়ত no one was computer literate, কোনো নাজানিছে, কম্পিউটাৰ ইউজ কৰিব নাজানে. They use typewriter only, manually নহ'লে typewriter. আৰু it was 2015 ভাবক, মানে সিহঁতি তেতিয়াও কম্পিউটাৰ ইউজ নকৰে, টাইপৰাইটাৰ ইউজ কৰে. মই মানুহখিনিৰ ওচৰত যাওঁ, তাহাঁতৰ লগত বহুত দিছে কি নাই মেডাম ইয়াত কিয় বহিব লাগে, আপোনাৰ ৰুমত আহিম, মই নালাগে, মই আপোনাৰ লগত বহিম. I sit with them, I used to teach them computer. So এতিয়া there is around like 3-4 persons, কিছুমান মানুহৰ সেইটো এপ্টিটিউডে নাথাকে, নোৱাৰে কিছুমান মানুহ. এতিয়া মানে 3-4 জন মানুহ হৈ গ'ল, they are expert in computer. They like Word জানে, Excel জানে, they know everything. So that is slowly এইটো সিহঁতি মানে এতিয়া মোক মৰম কৰে. They give me respect also, they give me love also. সেই বস্তুটো এতিয়া slowly এইবিলাক আপোনাৰ ফেজ আউট হৈ গ'ল. আৰু
আপুনি এইটো কথা কৈছে যে before your office was not oriented with computers, not oriented with the advanced working system. Then এইটো আছে কি you taught them how to get the computer oriented, technology oriented. Almost I have seen today that your office works are totally changed right now. How did you manage to change the whole working culture in your office?
Actually what happened, when I first joined there na, মই বহুত harsh আছিলোঁ, মানে বহুত harsh, বহুত strict দেখাওঁ. মানে actually I was like wearing a mask over there. মানে মই একদম বহুত strict দেখাওঁ. মই কোনোবা কিবা whenever they come late, I used to like mark red. today he came late. I
The
used to bring
proper senior
proper
most
administrative
officer.
officer like that. Enukwa asile. Titia or even enukwa asile, there was like বহুত pending কিছুমান accounts asile. Accounts মানে বহুত pending asile. So I called to all the মানে গোটে অসমত আমাৰ 27 the branches আছে সবতে মই ফোন কৰো. I strictly কওঁ কি if you do not give your like salary will be held up and all. সেইবিলাক কৰি date সেইখিনি সময়ত they felt that ইমান strict মানে out of fear they used to
They used to
submit
work,
the accounts and all they used to work. So slowly যেতিয়া গম পালে যে when মই যে accounts collect কৰিলো বা মই update যে কৰিলো system to, for that only they got the 6 pay commission. The commission their মানে সিহঁতৰ salary to hike হ'ল আৰু মানে মোৰ strictness or harshness or behind of that means what was my motive after like 6-7 months they came to know madam e aji mas strictly amak koa karne ba ekhini amak mas strictly amar pa bostu kin loa karne mane amar ami aji eta pay hike palu like that. First thing was that, and secondly was that in our office like from last like 2015 or kotha kois 15 not 2016 or kotha eto like 20 to 25 years jiman manhoe kaam kori asile they never got a single
promotion
also. Yes.
Okay.
And I means after having a due approval of the authority, obviously there is authority, we have a board, we have a chairman, we have MD, with their cooperation and with their guidance I yotor mane gote promotion eta
to started the culture of promotion apni promotion je to culture ase hetu apni office arambho
I started that. So hetu bostu karone manuki titia lahe acceptance ahile de at least ghor go kobo pare na je I got promoted to this, yes, promoted to that ekini aru সবতছে মানে মই ভাবো মানে এটা I being a lady officer এটা বস্তু মই ফিল কৰো the see in at my office I just ring the bell, the peon comes, I tell him I need a cup of tea, they give me. But whenever my peon or my any junior official came to my home, though my domestic helper she makes the tea, but I never ask her to serve, I serve them. Means I go and give them. That is a very nice thing. That is the main
respectful moment that comes to us.
Yes, because at my home I am not the administrative officer. I'm just Priyanka, and he has come
to your home.
More hard in that I never let them to serve things. They make the tea and they make the
serving
but I serve them. Yeah,
that is a nice thing.
And slowly they came to know my inner softness, and now out of terror they do not do, out of love they do the things. Yeah.
That you are in such a apni hetu position not asil hey position not at a strictness was necessary at that moment,
and that was for a good reason also. Yeah.
Ma'am, have you ever faced an incident which tremendously made your life adventurous?
তেনেকুৱাটো যিটো আপুনি কৈছে I had an incident actually যিটো clearly I won't tell it now, but the thing is that I had an incident. I had to face some people just because for some false allegation. I faced that. মানে যেতিয়া মই to face কৰিছিলো on that day I was like shattered, and I was like মই কেনেকৈ নিজৰ emotions to control কৰিম, but I control my emotion. But the moment those people went out of my office, I went to the washroom and I cried like anything. And on the very next day only, what happened, there was actually in the Assam government, we appeared for some, all the departments had to appear for some examination, like it was related to website creating, okay. So in that thing, for creation of the website, they chose some master trainers, and I was one of the master trainer over there. So we had to appear for some exam, and I appeared the very next day. I appeared for the exam.
On the very next day.
Yeah, on the very next day.
That after getting that
incident,
that incident, the very next day you appeared for the exam.
Yeah, I appeared for the exam, and then I appeared for that. It was like 3-level exam. At the last minute, we had to give some presentations and all. Everything we did. Then just after 5-6 days, the result came, and among our batch, I ranked 4th in that. Yeah. So after that, means whenever there is some মানে কিবা বেয়া থাকিলেও means if you know that you have done nothing, means apuni mane God bhagavane mane God gives you the reward, কেতিয়াবা কিছুমানক দেৰিকে দিয়ে কিছুমানক জলদি দিয়ে এণ্ড আই গট ইট আৰ্লি দেট ৰিৱাৰ্ড মানে কি যে দো ইট ৱাজ আ লাইক ডিফেম অলছ' ন ৱেন এভাৰ চাম ফলছ এলিগেশ্যন কামছ ইট ৱাজ লাইক এ ডিফেম ফৰ মি then after that only I like my hetu exam to dilu I stood fourth and after that that department they asked me for a like for giving some training in the administrative staff college so when I used to go for the training যে দিব যাওঁ আৰু যিবোৰ মানুহক ট্ৰেইনিং দিব লাগে the people are they are the employees of other departments
the employees of some other department you have gone for
giving training there
yeah. Okay
মই তাত ট্ৰেইনিং দিব লাগে and training regarding this creation of website only so training di pale apunar jetia mo training dibo ja when I have to introduce myself that I am Priyanka Hajarikar then I feel that ei manu tu jane niki that false allegation to gom pai niki I felt mane mur enuka that fear was there but moi dekhisu whenever I speak মানে যেতিয়া এটা ক্ৰাউডৰ লাহে লাহে স্পীক কথা পাতিলোঁ মই দেখিলোঁ যিখিনি একচেপ্টেঞ্চ পালোঁ তেতিয়া মানে ডেট ইনচিডেণ্ট এইটো মানে ফেডেড হৈ গ'ল মানে একোৱে মানে সেইটো যেন একোৱেই নহয় মোৰ লাইফত তাতকৈ মানে দিজ আৰ মাছ মোৰ মানে এনকাৰেজিং মাছ মোৰ মটিভেটিং এনেকুৱা এটা ফিল হ'ল বাট হোৱাট আই ফিল ইজ ডেট ৱেন মিনছ এভৰি মানুহৰ মানে প্ৰত্যেকজন মানুহৰ লাইফত এনেকুৱা কিছুমান ইনচিডেণ্ট হ'ব লাগে দেন অনলি ইউ কেন লাৰ্ণ মতলব আপুনি যদি লাইফটো একদম স্মুথ হয় ইউ কেন লাৰ্ণ নাথিং যদিও আপোনাৰ বহুত নলেজ আছে আপোনাৰ হেৰি আছে ইউ উইল লাৰ্ণ নাথিং মানুহ সদায় লাইফত মানে বহুত যেতিয়া ইনচিডেণ্ট বহুত বেয়া ইনচিডেণ্ট ভাল মেক্সিমাম মানুহে সাধাৰণতে বেয়াৰ পৰাই বেছি শিকিব লাগে যেতিয়া আপুনি ফেচ কৰিব দেন অনলি ইউ বি ফাইন মানে
you believe that person should move from their comfort zone to a discomfort zone.
Yes, exactly.
You can say that.
Yes. You just means I was like thrown in a pool, swimming pool, and I do not know swimming. But I swim yes, and I came to
you swim without a trainer.
Yeah, without a trainer.
There's an old saying it is like कि अगर तैरना है तो पानी में कूदना होगा और अगर कूदोगे नहीं तो सीखोगे नहीं
exactly वही है
Ma'am, as you said that you trained lots of staffs in the Assam Administrative College and that means you have been you are a trainer too.
Actually, I am not exactly a trainer because the thing is that actually, being you're telling about training. Now, my first career started with I was a teacher of higher secondary students, you know. And what happened?
That's in Kaziranga?
Not in Kaziranga. In a junior college in Guwahati only. I used to teach there. Then what happened? I teach the HS first year, second year students, and there was a student. Okay. He was like so weak in his studies, he was very weak and he used to stay in the hostel. Then what happened, after working there for 6-7 months, I got that job of Kaziranga University. So I left the job in the junior college. The moment I left the job, he left the hostel. Means that boy, his name was, I forgot, Rubul or like that. He left the hostel. Then he called me and he told me, madam, my hostel eri dilo. Mane pucho, I asked why. Na hostel thakile ma apnara tuition lobo ahibo nwarim. So I want the tuition with you, though you have left the thing. My hostel na thakbo, I'll be staying in a rented ghor thakim and I'll come for tuition. I felt good. Mole thik ase, okay, you come. He tuition lole. The boy, he was like in metric, he got only 54 or 55%. After he like more logo tuition korar pisot, I used to teach him not only one subject, 2-3 subjects I used to teach him. Then he got admission in Guwahati Commerce College. That after that also means it was a matter of like ketiar kotha jane 9 years one agor kotha. Now also on the day of Teachers Day, he wishes me. Yes, that is a good thing.
The best thing a teacher, the gift for a good teacher.
Yeah. So that is I think for that only more hey to ase manhok bujua koa. So that our moi jitu government employee okol eta part of him training disilu for creation of website, not for others. Hetu khali moi khub beshi 5-6 mon training disu, but it's a very good experience because ভাল লাগে আৰু monotony to break হয় daily আপোনাৰ কাম কৰা, but it was only in the year of 2017. After that তাৰপিছত এইটো লৈ পেলাই তেনেকুৱা একো ট্ৰেইনিঙৰ দৰকাৰ হোৱা নাছিল বা ষ্টাফলৈ যাব হোৱা নাই. only in the year of 2017
আপনি ট্ৰেইনিংটো দিছিল. facing the male ego simultaneously undergoing some legal allegations or that you have
It was,
said.
yeah, that was the thing only.
Okay. Have you ever felt to leave the job or leave the work or move yourself to some other department?
See, if you means I forgot past, okay, whatever at that time
At
maybe
that moment
I
you
might have, but today the office has become my extended family. You know, means I cannot think of like leaving the office right now, because the people that are not only the present employees but also the retired people, I have such a good bonding with them. I cannot like think of leaving the job at this moment, this department. And moreover, the best part is that actually the office is near my home and I can give time to my and you
Both
see,
home and
yeah,
office.
yes. And in our office, means my boss, means my reporting boss is the managing director, and since 2015 I have worked with like 3 to 4 managing directors also, means till date. But I have seen each and every person that I have worked with, তেওঁলোক মানে সদায় বুজে মোৰ কথা, they are very much empathetic, they learn, মানে তেওঁ জানে যে প্ৰিয়ংকা যদিও ৰাতিপুৱা যদি কেতিয়াবা অফিচত দেৰিকৈ আহিব, যে whatever work is assigned to her she will complete it. সেই বস্তুটো কাৰণে মই বহুত I am in a comfort zone actually.
Today you are in a comfort
zone. মানে at least মই মোৰ ফেমিলিটোক টাইম দিব পাৰোঁ, মোৰ অফিচটো আৰু যিখিনি ৰেছপনচিবিলিটি সেইখিনি কৰিব পাৰোঁ, সেইটো কাৰণে
মেম এইটো যেনেকৈ আপুনি সেইটো কথা কৈছে যে when you were in office you were some years before when you started you were very strict so that a work culture to আহিব লাগে অফিচত, আজি সিমান ষ্ট্ৰিকনেছ আছে নেকি?
নাই, এতিয়া মই I feel that whenever suppose এটা মানুহ মোৰ ৰুমত আহিছে, suppose এটা এছিষ্টেণ্ট আহিছে, I give them show cause also. মই তাহাঁতি যেতিয়া কিবা বেয়া কাম কৰে, in writing I give them the why you have done this and that, but the very next moment whenever they come to me, তাহাঁতৰ ৰিপ্লাইটো ময়ে বনাই দিওঁ যে ঠিক আছে কিন্তু তই নেক্সট টাইম এইটো নকৰিবি. চ' হোৱাট দে টেল ইজ ডেট, মানে মই এনেকৈ সিহঁতি মোক কয় যে মানে আপুনি যেতিয়া মানে ফ্ৰীলি থাকে আপোনাক চব ক'ব পাৰি, বাট দ্য মোমেণ্ট ইউ বিকাম ষ্ট্ৰিক্ট আপোনাৰ ৰুমত আহিব ভয় লাগে. That is the thing. That is, I think that
you
is
can say that even in office also you sometimes you are strict, sometimes you are very light.
You have to be, you know.
Yeah.
Because now you know means whatever we get nowadays in government, not even nowadays. Now we have to see ajita me office go so we are not working for the office only.
Also.
But what we are doing there, we are creating a future for our future, means our children.
Yes.
সেই কাৰণে মই ভাবোঁ যে মই আজি কিবা এটা কাম কৰিছোঁ, মোক MDA দিছে কাৰণে মই কৰিছোঁ, ইট ইজ নট লাইক ডেট, বাট দ্য গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট ইজ আস্কিং ফৰ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে, সেইটো নহয়. মই ভাবোঁ যে মই আজি কিবা এটা যে কাম কৰি আছোঁ, ইট ইজ কণ্ট্ৰিবিউটিং টু দ্য ফিউচাৰ অফ আৱাৰ চিলড্ৰেন বা আৱাৰ গ্ৰেণ্ড চিলড্ৰেন ন, সেই তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কথা ভাবোঁ, সেইটো কাৰণে চাগে কৰোঁ কাম.
Ma'am, after 5 to 6 years of this job, today also you are in an administrative post.
Yes.
How do you feel working today at today's scenario? What do you think that how you can develop your work more better?
Yes.
Your work.
Actually, see, এতিয়া এনেকুৱা এটা হৈ গৈছে অফিচটোত যে যিখিনি এমপ্লয়ী আছে, they are old employee, like after 3 to 4 years they will be retiring. So তেওঁলোকৰ পৰা আমি বহুত বেছি এক্সপেক্টটো কৰিব নোৱাৰোঁ. বাট এট দ্য ছেইম টাইম তেওঁলোকৰ পৰা এক্সপেক্ট নকৰি নিজে ধৰক গোটেই চব কাম কৰি গ'লে এতিয়া এনেকুৱা হৈ যায় কিছুমান টাইমছ যে আই হেভ টু ডু আ লট, আই এম ডুইং দ্য ৱৰ্ক অফ এছিষ্টেণ্ট টু দ্য লাইক ফ্ৰম দ্য পিয়ন টু দ্য লাইক মোৰ নিজৰ যিখিনি কামটো কৰি আছোঁ, বাট তলৰ কামখিনিও কৰিব লাগিব. তেনেকুৱা সেইখিনি সময়ত এনেকুৱা এটা ফিল হয় যে মোৰ যিখিনি এফিচিয়েঞ্চি আছে ইট উইল গেট লৱাৰ, মানে ইমানখিনি যদি মই ইফ আই ডু এনেকৈ যদি কৰি যাওঁ তেতিয়া মোৰ যিখিনি এফিচিয়েঞ্চি আছে সেইখিনি কমি যাব. চ' এতিয়া মানে এট প্ৰেজেণ্ট আই এম ট্ৰাইং টু লেট এমং দ'জ পিপল অনলি য'ত মানে যাৰ 4 years আছে 5 years আছে, আই এম ট্ৰাইং টু বিল্ড that capacity among them. মানে এনেকুৱা কিছুমান আমাৰ এমপ্লয়ী আছে ইমান মোৰ ভাল লাগে, দে ডু নট হেভ ডেট মাছ কেপাচিটি যে সিহঁতি খুব বেছি মানে এটা চেণ্টেঞ্চ চাগে লিখিব পাৰিব, বাট দ্য অনেষ্টি দ্য লয়েলটি ডেট দে হেভ টুৱাৰ্ডছ দ্য অৰ্গেনাইজেশ্যন সেইখিনিয়ে বহুত মানে এটা কাম কৰাৰ কাম কৰিব. চ' এট প্ৰেজেণ্ট আই হেভ ডেট টিম, মানে যদিও দে ডু নট হেভ মাছ কেপাচিটি, বাট হোৱাট এভাৰ আই টেল টু দেম বা মই যেনেকৈ তেওঁলোকক কওঁ,
they show their best to do that thing.
Yes, সেইটোৱে. আৰু এতিয়া আই এম ভেৰি মাছ মতলব এতিয়া যিখিনি মোৰ মানুহ আছে অফিসত মোৰ সিনিয়ৰ মানুহ হওক মোৰ জুনিয়ৰ হওক দে আৰ মাই এক্সটেন্ডেড ফ্যামিলি মতলব এতিয়া আই এম ভেৰি মাচ বহুত বেছি মোৰ এটা বন্ডিং হৈ গ'ল
এতিয়া মানে আপনার এটা ফ্যামিলি এই এটা ফ্যামিলি আছে আপনার হাজবেন্ড আপনার ডটার মাদার ইন ল
Yes,
ফাদার ইন ল আর
family
এটা আছে
office.
ফ্যামিলি অফিস a very unique thing that you have said that you created your office also as a family.
Yeah, you see, whenever we work na, jodi apna work ownership na hai, when you do not have the ownership to the work,
You don't feel that it is your own.
Yes, tetia apuni ki kobo, apuni 10 to 5 job koriba, and I do not want to that do 10 to 5 job. Mor kotha to enekwa je I will give best to my family also, I will give best to the society
Also.
Aji ma office koriso not only because of the earning, but I am contributing towards the towards the society. That is the
Obviously.
best thing that I feel. Aru moi bhabu je mor swali jete dangor hobo, she will also feel good je mor ma
She will also getting वो भी motivated होगी, she will also get motivated that कि आने वाले टाइम में she need to cope up with the society, cope up with the environment as well.
আৰু এনেকুৱা এটো মানে আজিকা এতিয়া যিটো সিনেৰিও তোৰ গোটেই সোসাইটিটোৰ মানে ধৰক কি এতিয়া ধৰক মানুহৰ আজিকালিতো বহুত চেঞ্জ হ'ল ষ্টিল মানে ধৰক এজনী মাইকী মানুহ আপুনি কাম এতিয়া মানে কি হয় সাধাৰণতে সাপোজ মাই হাজবেণ্ড অলসো ৱৰ্কছ এনেকুৱা সাধাৰণতে কেনেকুৱা হাজবেণ্ড ৱাইফ দুটাই চাকৰি কৰে মোৰ হাজবেণ্ড মানে এনেকুৱা সাপোজ মোৰ কিছুমান কাম থাকে কেতিয়াবা সাপোজ মোৰ ৰাতি 7টা বাজিব 8টা বাজিব he immediately comes home মানে মই যদি তেওঁক জনাই দিওঁ যে আই উইল বি লেট তেওঁ আহি যায় আহি গৈ পালে মোৰ ছোৱালীক এটেণ্ড কৰে সেইবিলাক বস্তু বহুত ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট মানে কি আৰু এটা মানে হাজবেণ্ডৰ যিটো ছাপোৰ্ট এজনী ৱৰ্কিং লেডিৰ কাৰণে সেইটো বহুত বেছি ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট আৰু আজিকালি আপুনি চাব মই দেখো মই ভাবো আই বিং আ লেডি মই এটা বস্তু ভাবো উই শুড নট থিংক দেট মই চাকৰি কৰি আছোঁ ময়ো কণ্ট্ৰিবিউট কৰি আছোঁ যে you cannot মানে মোৰ হাজবেণ্ডক মই কেতিয়াও ক'ব নালাগে কি নাই তুমি মোক এইটো ক'ব নোৱাৰা ইট ইজ নট লাইক আৰু মই এনেকুৱা ভাবোঁ আৰু বহুত ছোৱালী এনেকুৱা ভাবে মানে মই দেখিছোঁ এমং মাই ফ্ৰেণ্ডছ অলছো দে থিংক দেট কি মই জব কৰি আছোঁ আই এম অলছো আৰ্নিং হি শুড অলছো ডু দিছ এট হোম সেইটো হ'ব নালাগে
that ego আহি যায় তাতে ego factor টো আহি যায় এতে
আৰু the moment আৰু মই ভাবোঁ I want my husband and my family to depend on me মানে এনেকুৱা বিচাৰোঁ কি নাই তহঁতি একো নিজে কাম কৰিব নালাগে I will do it for everything for you মানে মই যদি এজনী হাউচৱাইফ হ'লোহেঁতেন মই যিখিনি তেওঁলোকৰ কাৰণে কৰিলোঁ হয় নাও মানে বিং আ ৱৰ্কিং লেডি অলছো আই ডু that for them মানে মই কেতিয়াও নিবিচাৰোঁ কি মোৰ হাজবেণ্ডে এইটো নিজে কৰি লওক বাট হি ডাজ কিন্তু মই সেইটো নিবিচাৰোঁ আৰু সেই ডিপেণ্ডেঞ্চিটো যেতিয়া থাকে এটা হাজবেণ্ডৰ নিজৰ ৱাইফৰ ওপৰত বা এজন ৱাইফৰ হাজবেণ্ডৰ ওপৰত তেতিয়া এইবিলাক ইগ' বা যিবোৰ আজিকালিতো ইমান ছেপাৰেশ্যন কিবা এইবিলাক বস্তু নাহে সেইটো বহুত ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট আৰু সেইবিলাক আমি ভাবোঁ চব ছোৱালী এইটো কথা ভাবিব লাগে বিকজ সদায় আমি যিটো সৰুৰ পৰা দেখি আহিছোঁ আমি কি দেখিছোঁ যে আমাৰ ফাদাৰ ওলাই যায় কামত আমাৰ মা ঘৰত থাকে সেইটো বস্তু আমি দেখি আহিছোঁ ন আৰু ল'ৰাটোৱে সেইটোৱে দেখি আহিছে সদায় দেখিছে ল'ৰাটোৱে এইটো দেখিছে যে নিজৰ মায়ে দেখোন নিজৰ বাচ্চা চাই নিজৰ হাজবেণ্ড চাই কিন্তু তেওঁ যেতিয়া বিয়া পাতি দেখিব যে নিজৰ ৱাইফে দেখোন একোৱেই নকৰে তেতিয়া সেই ডিফাৰেঞ্চেছবোৰ আহে ক্লাছবোৰ আহে সেইটো ইজ ভেৰি ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট দেট ইউ শুড টেক কেয়াৰ অফ ইয়ৰ মানে মই ভাবোঁ মই একদম পূৰা নিজৰ হাজবেণ্ডক একো কৰিব দিব নালাগে পূৰা ডিপেণ্ডেণ্ট হ'ব দিব লাগে ৱাইফৰ ওপৰত তেতিয়া লাইফ পূৰা স্মুথ হয়
coming to the end of the session any suggestion that you want to give to the females who face misfortunes
প্ৰথম কথাটো ষ্ট্ৰেংথটো ইটছ ভেৰি ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট এণ্ড হোৱাট আই ফিল ইজ দেট ছোৱালী এজনীৰ এটা ল'ৰাতকৈ ষ্ট্ৰেংথ মানে মেণ্টেল ষ্ট্ৰেংথ ইজ much more big ছোৱালী মানুহ বহুত বেছি পেচেণ্ট হয় বহুত বেছি মানে ষ্ট্ৰং হয় আৰু আপুনি চাব সদায় ছোৱালীবোৰ মেচিয়ৰ্ড হয় মোৰ দেন দ্য মেল আৰু মিছফৰ্চুন মানুহৰ গোটেই লাইফত নাথাকে মানুহৰ এটা ফেজতে থাকে মানুহৰ ধৰক যেতিয়া চাপ'জ কিবা এটা বেয়া হ'ল মানুহৰ লাইফত কিন্তু দে শুড নট লুক বেক মানে যি হৈ গ'ল চবৰে থাকে সেইটো কেতিয়াও পাষ্টটো ভাবিব নালাগে মইতো পাহৰি যাওঁ মইতো বেছিয়ে পাহৰি যাওঁ পাষ্টটো কেতিয়াও ভাবিব নালাগে ফিউচাৰটো লৈও বেছি এনজাইটি কৰিব নালাগে প্ৰেজেণ্ট সদায় প্ৰেজেণ্টটো থাকিব লাগে আৰু তেতিয়াই লাইফটো একদম স্মুথ হয় আৰু এজনী ছোৱালীয়ে এজনী বি দ্য ডটাৰ বি দ্য ডটাৰ ইন ল সদায় দে শুড ইনভেষ্ট নট বা এটা ল'ৰাও মই নট অনলি ফৰ ফিমেল বাট ফৰ মেল মই অলছ' ফৰ মেল মই কৈ আছোঁ ৰাদাৰ ইনভেষ্টিং ইন বাইং প্ৰপাৰ্টি দে শুড ইনভেষ্ট ইন বাইং ৰিলেশ্যনছ সদায় ৰিলেশ্যনটোক ইনভেষ্ট কৰিব লাগে বেছিকৈ কাৰণ কি আফটাৰ মই যেতিয়া মই মৰি যাম বাট ৱেন আই উইল বি ইন মাই ডেথ বেড মোৰতো প্ৰপাৰ্টি নাথাকে মোৰ ফেমিলিটোৱে থাকিব হয় নাই কওক আপোনাৰ ফ্ৰেণ্ডছ থাকিব দেট ইজ দ্য থিং ইনভেষ্টমেণ্ট ইন ফেমিলি বা ইম'শ্যনছ নট ইন দৰকাৰ মিনিমামটো চবকে দৰকাৰ আছে আপোনাকো লাগিব মোকো লাগিব বাট দেট ইজ নট দ্য চ'ল ৰেছপনচিবিলিটি দ্য চ'ল ৰেছপনচিবিলিটি ইজ দ্য ফেমিলি যেতিয়াই থাকিব চব থাকিব ফেমিলি ফ্ৰেণ্ডছ সেইবিলাকে ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট বস্তু লাইফত
এইটো আপুনি ভাল কথা কৈছে যে এইটো এটা চাইণ্টিফিকেলি এইটো প্ৰুভড আছে যে মেল যেটো থাকে সেইটো ফিজিকেলি ষ্ট্ৰং নাথাকে আৰু ফিমেল যেটো আছে সেইটো সাইকোলজিক্যালি स्ट्रॉन्ग থাকে बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद प्रियंका जी कि आज आपने अपना टाइम अपना एक्सपीरियंस आपने हमारे साथ शेयर किया एंड आई ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ मारवाड़ी वुमेन्स गुवाहाटी ग्रेटर एंड आई मी माई सेल्फ thank you that you have given your time to our month and sharing your views with us.
Yes, I thanks to Marwari Yuva Manch Guwahati Greater that they have given me the opportunity to speak like I at this age and I am speaking like giving me this opportunity to speak. I thanks to you also.
Thank you
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.